So guys, welcome to my video for doing it yourself on this treadmill. So I have this ProForm Pro 5000 machine that I've been using since December 2018, 2019. It's a great machine. I really like it. But over the course of time, the only problem I had and what bothered me was the small 7-inch screen. And even though it gives you stuff that you need to do, I mean, I've got iFit membership and all that, but it just bothered me that the screen was small and it wasn't cutting it. So I finally ventured out trying to see if I could get me a bigger screen. I reached out to ProForm folks and obviously no response via email, but I was able to get in contact with them through Twitter, and whosoever was managing the Twitter handle was very proactive, and they responded and they gave me some tips. So one of the tips they gave me was, why don't you play around with the HDMI port, which is right here, and see if that will help you connecting your monitor with a bigger monitor, or with your phone, or with your tablet, whatever that might be. And so I started going there. So I got me this touchscreen monitor from Amazon. The link of this exact model is in the video below. You can go into the comment section and it'll show you. So what I did was I got this, and I had to get me an HDMI cable. So, well, it came with it, by the way. So just regular HDMI cable, if you notice over here, standard HDMI cable that goes in and out over here. And this monitor that I have, it has the HDMI port. It's got the power, USB-C and a USB-C Type-C for interacting with the monitor. So I started playing with it through connecting through the HDMI, and finally I figured out that you have to connect this USB port on the other side of the machine to your monitor so that you can have your touch functionality working in both ends. So what I did was I basically connected it, and it worked pretty good for me. So I'll show you what I'll show you in a minute what I mean. And then the other problem was I wanted to put this monitor in a way so that I don't see this one. I don't see double monitors showing me the same things. So I just got this little wooden strip from Home Depot. It was like 49 cents. I cut it into a distance, and I have this two-side tape over here and a two-side tape underneath over here, so that my fan connections and my volume connections over here, they don't get interfered. So I basically stuck that, and what I do is I take my monitor and then I basically put it over here, right? So it hides the other one. Now for the connection, what I'm going to do is I'm basically going to take the USB connection, which is coming from this side. I'm going to connect it to my tablet on the second one where it says Type C. So I'm going to push that in, and if you notice, it is in, it comes up, right? Now for the display, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this HDMI, which is connected on the treadmill, and I'm going to connect it over here as well. So if you give me a minute, let me see. Okay, here we go. Now you'll notice that it brings up the whole connection. So basically I can tap, view my membership, I can start whatever workout I want to do and start looking at it. So this was my simple solution to upgrading my treadmill's 7-inch monitor to 13.3 touchscreen monitor, and it's ready to work. So with my iFit membership, I'm going to be utilizing this and continuing my workout. I'm a big runner. I love running. So, I've done a few marathons in the past, and as I've aged, in the process of catching up and trying to see if I can do a marathon or two next year. So that's what I'm training for. Good luck. Leave comments if you need any more information, any more help. Feel free to send me a note or just comment below, and I'll be checking. Thank you all. Happy working out.